We interrupt this program to bring you this important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert, Levi's call, Georgia's Amber Alert. The Atlanta Police Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a black 2011 Ford Explorer, tag number HMV7986. On February the 25th, 2021, Hailey Castellanos, a 17-year-old Hispanic female, was abducted by Melvin Castellanos, a 38-year-old Hispanic male, 5 feet 1 inches tall, weighing 150 pounds, and was last seen at 1854 Laydown Road, northwest Atlanta, Georgia, possibly westbound toward Alabama, and is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Melvin Castellanos or the black 2011 Ford Explorer, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIPS and the CSend app for iPhone and Android users.